back, everybody, to Nasty Addiction Garage, where builds become obsessions. And today we're diving into the essential maintenance of our 1994 Toyota MR2 Plus build. Why, you ask? It's because we're about to hit the streets of Chicago as a daily driver. Daily driving in the city like Chicago means you need a car that's really dependable and prepared just for anything, really. Stop and go traffic, potholes, even brutal winters like today. It's 8 degrees. And the first step is a proper oil change. So let's get that started. Alright, with that said, here's a quick rundown of everything you'll need today. You'll need a socket wrench, you're going to need an oil filter wrench, you'll need a drain pan, you'll need a funnel, you'll need some fresh oil, and a new oil filter. We're using a little combination of what we had inside the garage just so then we don't be wasteful, but you might want to use some high quality synthetic oil. That's probably perfect for the 5S. Remember always to double check your car's owner's manual for the recommended oil type and capacity. For the MR2, we're looking at 4.5 quarts. Step 1. Drain the oil. Start by locating the drain plug and the oil pan. Use a wrench and carefully loosen it, and let the oil flow out of the pan. Make sure that the engine is slightly warm before doing this. It helps the oil flow so much better, but be careful that it's not too hot. You don't want to risk burning yourself. Once the oil stops dripping, you're good to move on. Don't forget to inspect the drain plug. Replace the washer if it's worn out. Alright, moving on to the next step. It's time to swap out the oil filter. This little guy works really hard to keep the engine clean, so we really don't want to miss this step. So it's super important to make sure we get it done. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil on the gasket. This just ensures a good seal and it makes it easier to remove the next time. When tightening it, make sure to make it snug enough, but don't overdo it. Before we pour in the fresh oil, let's take a moment to talk about the tools that make the job a whole lot easier. The auto extrude oil funnel. This auto extrude oil funnel is a precise engineered for the perfect job, ensures no spills, no mess, and a smooth pour every single time. Whether you're looking to work on a classic like our Toyota MR2 or a random daily driver, their funnels are perfect for the job. We've used auto extrude funnels for all our builds. It's one of those tools that you don't really realize you need it until you try it. Plus, it has a durable, heat-resistant material, which means that this funnel will last you forever. If you want to upgrade your garage setup, check out auto extrude funnels. I'll make sure to leave their link down below. Now let's get back to prepping this MR2 for daily driving. Using the auto extrude funnel, we've poured in the recommended amount for our Toyota MR2, and we're starting with 4 quarts. After pouring, check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more if needed, but don't overfill it. Too much oil can be really bad for the motor, as too little can be as well. Once you're at the right level, replace the dipstick, the cap, and you're good to go. Don't forget to properly dispose of the oil and the oil filter. Most auto stores will take them and it's for free. Before we wrap up, we like to start the engine and let it run for a little bit. Check underneath for any leaks, especially around the drain plug or the oil filter. And that's it. The Toyota MR2 is ready to hit the streets as our daily driver. Please stay tuned for more updates as we continue to prep this Toyota MR2 OEM Plus build for its life in Chicago. I do want to thank everybody for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more Nasty Addiction content. See you next time, and peace.